Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add live chat to any website. Okay, you might have a website and you want to interact with customers or users on the website. All you have to do is add live chat. To do that, go to Google, search for Vivo Chat, sign up on Vivo Chat, input your email and password. Input your email and password, click on continue. It will take you to where you can customize your chat widget. You can add your name, your logo, and the title. So let's add our logo. So let's just write customer care. You can write agent, you can write customer care, you can write support, you can write supporting. It depends on your preference. So let me just write customer care. So this is what the user will see. So proactive invitation. So you can just customize this place. Let's write hello, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Welcome to Rich Boy Tech. How can we help you today? So this place, you can decide to write anything. You can decide to input your website name just to welcome new users or client. So the next step is account information. So this is where you input your website URL and your business location and phone number. So let me input my website and phone number. So the next step is to install the Vivo Chat. This Vivo Chat have app and laptop app. So I've already have the app on my laptop, so I will not download it again. So this is the code you will input on your website. So you have to copy this code on your notepad. As you can see, our website does not have the chat yet, so let's copy the code. Okay, you can verify the live chat. Okay, thank you. So the Vivo Chat have now been activated. So the next step is to go to our website script and input the code that was given to us. Depending on your website, if your website is WordPress or it's a script site, so just make sure you put the code at the header or footer of the website. So this is my site, I will put it on the footer. Save file. So let's check now if the live chat is active. Voila, as you can see, the live chat just popped up. So this is how you interact with users on your website. So you can customize the live chat. So let's see, we don't want our users to provide email or phone number, so we just wanted to provide only their name. So you can decide to leave it. So installation. So this is the pre-chat button. If you want them to want to order or you want to invest or anything, this place can be customizable. So let's test out the live chat if it's working right now. So we refresh the website. So let's test it out. Input name Mike Richard. Send. I have a question. So let's go back to the live chat to see if the chat came in. Go to chat center, click on accept chat. You see Richard Mike. So okay, so let's go back to the website. Okay, so our live chat is fully working. So like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, write it on the comment below.